What's up, beautiful people? This is Sharla Stevens and the Ancestors, the world's greatest business and empowerment coach for badass Black women. And I'm making a very quick video to illustrate how easily you can make some really great money as an online coach or consultant. So let's say that your goal was to make, I want to make at least $10,000 a month. I'm going to show you how you can significantly surpass that. So if you were to start a small group coaching program where you're selling your expertise, you packaged it, you've made it irresistible, you know it's exactly what your clients need to get them from point A to point B. If you had like just 6 clients paying you $500 a week, which is about $2,000 a month, $500 a week, 6 clients, that's $12,000. So each client is worth $2,000 times 6, $12,000. As far as your time commitment, that's very little of your time. That's a couple hours a week. So that's one example. Let's say that you also sold some type of group VIP day, and maybe you sold those for $2,000, right? So people get to work with you over a span of 8 hours, and really it would be 6 hours because there'd be breaks built in, but so about 6 hours, 6.5 hours, they're working with you. They're able to really accomplish something in that time. So whatever it is that you sell within that 6 hours, you have worked with them, you have helped them create something so that they have a finished product at the end of that VIP day. You could sell that group VIP day, so a whole bunch of people, or not a whole bunch of people, but maybe like 6 people on the VIP day, at $2,000 each. And again, that's another $12,000, and that would be one day, right? So you have your weekly coaching, and that's like maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours of your time a week. And for the month, that would be maybe 20 hours, right? So 20 hours, $12,000. And then for your group VIP day, that's 8 hours, and really again 6, because you're gonna have to be on break for 2 of those hours. And you serve 6 different people during that 8 hours, and that's another $12,000. And how much time is that total? Like, that's less time than most people work in a week. That's 20 hours on group coaching, and that's 8 hours on your group VIP day, and that's one day. Okay. Now you could also have some type of digital course or some type of training or some type of product. So one of the things I sell is it's LinkedIn Power Moves for entrepreneurs. And it's a combination of things, right? So there is a checklist of the 20 things that every LinkedIn profile needs to be irresistible to your clients. There is a training where I actually go through 3 profiles and show what needs to be changed on the profile. So I utilize the checklist in real time. Then there is an additional, once you've done the work on your own profile, I come in and I do an audit and see, you know, well, how does it look, right? So once you've done the training, you've looked at the checklist, and you're like, okay, I think I'm here. I will come back and look at your profile again and see how well you implemented everything and give you some feedback. And there's also a document which talks about how to build relationships on LinkedIn. Because now that you've done all that, right, and you've made your profile a client magnet, now you have to build relationships with these potential clients, and what does that look like? So I sell that for about $1,500. And so, like, let's say that you have a couple of those programs. You have a program or something you can package together that is just something that you can just send out. It's not something you have to spend time on as far as delivering, right? It's already recorded. It's already a document you've created. You could then sell that. So, like, let's say if you're selling this package for $1,500 a month, and you sell, if you were to sell 6 of those, that's an additional $9,000. Okay. So the total for your small group coaching at $500 a week, and you having 6 clients, which is $2,000 a month, 6 clients, that's $12,000. For you having your VIP day where you have 6 people come to your group VIP day, that's another $12,000. And then having people, when you sell this individual like product or service or thing that you've already created, where you just have to like send a link, right? They pay for it, you send a link, there's not even any work here, another $8,000 or $9,000. What was it? It was 6 clients, yeah, $9,000. 12,000 plus 12,000 is 24,000. Add another 9,000, you're looking at $33,000. That's what's possible when you work with me and I show you the path to peaceful profits, because you are working too hard. Like I can say that, I can feel that for like 99% of the people who see this video. You are working too hard, and you have no idea that you could do work that you love based on what you already know, working with clients you really appreciate, and have all this time to yourself. Because again, what I'm talking about is maybe 40 hours a month. A month, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe 40 hours a month. Yes, you do have to still do marketing. You have to find your clients, but I can teach you to do that too. And I'm all about peaceful profits. I don't hustle, I don't grind, because I can't. I have a mental health issue. I deal with bipolar depression. I cannot run myself into the ground. I have to take good care of myself and make this money. And that's what I teach my queens how to do. Schedule a call, quit playing with your life, quit delaying your dreams. You don't know how peaceful it can be over here. It can be so, so wonderful. And I focus on really creating a nurturing environment for Black women to thrive. Schedule your call. I look forward to working with you. You can also follow me on YouTube. I have a free Facebook group, Divine Black Business Goddess. And I have a podcast, Sharla's Badass Podcast, for badass Black women. Look forward to working with you. Schedule your call. Bye.